So when you met a Chinese person for the first time, you were struggling on how to start the conversations with them. So in order to communicate with them, there are Chinese language that are easy to learn and to use in basic conversation. So this is the best way to start up a conversation with Chinese people. So for example, in meeting a Chinese person for the first time, you need to say ni hao. And also you can end up Su Jin Sen Miang, which also known as how are you going recently? And you will come up with Ni Jin Shan Hao Ma, which means how are you today? As we go further in learning basic Chinese language, you should also know and understand the basic greetings daily. So to be followed, Shang Wu Hao, which means good morning, Sha Wu Hao, which means good afternoon, and Wan Shang Hao, which means good evening. So when your Chinese friend asks you if you can go with them, you will just only have a conversation with them with replied Sai Jan, which means suitable for any time or any occasions. Another Chinese language to be used in daily conversation, which is Wan An, which is good night. So two ways in addressing someone in Chinese, you will come up with the formal way, which is Nin, and the casual way, which is Ni. China opening up more and more to foreign countries, so people have to come and adapt the Western cultures. So there are Chinese languages that are common that can be used in daily conversation or in day-to-day conversation, which is halu. In English, it's hello, and he, which means hi in English, and bye-bye, which in English it's bye-bye. So when someone asks you in Chinese, which is chilima, which means have you had your meal? So this is how you're going to answer that question. So if you haven't yet done your meal, you will just say me you. And if you have already, you will just say chili. So that Chinese will add up the questions to you. So she will ask again, Chi bao lima, which means did you have enough? And you will reply Chi bao li, which means yes, I had enough. Learning Chinese numbers is another way of gaining knowledge from Chinese. So if in case you were able to talk again with Chinese people, you were able to talk with them with your known Chinese language. So that's it. Bye bye and Hujian.